관심을 낚아챈 다음 애찬 방심은 환영이에요. 팽팽한 워시 위를 당기다가 누우면.
Okay guys, let's get into this hair. This is my first time doing blonde hair in such a long time. So if you guys would like to see how I was able to get this install looking so good, looking so laid, keep on watching. Okay, we're going to start off with the unboxing, of course. Let me take out the hair just so you guys can see all the little goodies that comes with this wig. First and foremost, they sent me a robe, they sent me a melting band, some eyebrow razors, and some other stuff that I need to get my wig together. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box on the mannequin head. This wig needs a lot of customization, I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to start off with plucking the hair up first. Don't make this mistake of plucking your hair dry. What you want to do is take some hair wax and just push back all the hair. This is going to make your job easier. You're going to be able to see what you're doing and which areas need to be plucked or not. So after using the wax, I'm going to go in with a hot comb to just kind of mold the hair in the way that I would like it to fall. Once that's all done, I'm now going to go in with my tweezers and pluck the hair to my liking. After plucking, I'm just putting the wig on my head just to see if I'm okay and satisfied with the way the hair has been plucked. Then it's time to do the install. Of course, I'm going to be using the bald cap method. This method, I love it so much. It makes your wig installs last longer. So I'm using the EBIN spray to just glue down the wig cap. Honestly, this isn't the best bald cap that I've done, but honestly, it's going to do, it's going to work. It's going to be underneath your wig, so you don't have to spend hours and hours trying to perfect it. The next step is to obviously use my bold hold. I applied about 2 to 3 layers and waited for it to get dry. I didn't use a blow dryer, like leaving it to air dry works as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and place the wig on the bold hold and just use this comb to press it down to ensure it's really sticking and there's no white residue. Just a pro tip, try not to use your hands to touch your lace, especially if your hands are oily. The oil and the glue don't mix. I'm going to just use a melting band to ensure everything is nice and secure. Well, after 10 minutes, it's time to cut off the excess lace. And like I said earlier on, this wig needs a lot of customization. The lace itself is very white and transparent. And honestly, in the beginning, I was a little bit worried because of how white the lace is. But I just had to realize that everything can be fixed. Once I cut off the excess, I'm going back in with this EBIN spray to just glue down the areas that I missed with the bold hold. But I'm going to use my blow dryer for this and a wooden spatula because I do not want oil from my fingers to touch my lace. Once the glue is dry, the melting band has to come back on just to ensure everything is more melted and more secure into my wig cap. After about 5 minutes, I'm going to take off the melting band, and this, guys, is the moment of truth. You guys can see how white the lace is, but all you need is just a little bit of foundation that's slightly darker than your skin tone and just apply that all over the white lace. And you guys can see how it's already melting. Like, I was even shook. Okay, so don't fret. As long as your lace is nice and secure, you can always blend this in with some makeup. The last step for this melt is to just take some spritz and apply this all over the perimeter of the lace front, and of course the melting band has to come on as well. Moving on to styling, I'm just using some hair serum and applying this all over the wig. And for blonde hair, honestly, I was really surprised at how good quality this wig is. It's very flowy, it doesn't really shed, you know, there's no matting, there's no tangling, it's very, very silky. So all I had to do was literally straighten the hair and it was good to go. So this is a close-up of what the lace front looks like after the melting and styling. So now I'm just going to do a little bit of baby hairs. Honestly, I could have done better with my baby hairs, but I had to get ready for my concert. Then I'm going to just apply some makeup onto the part just so it looks a little bit more natural and like it's coming from my skin. Then I'm just going to go in with my hot comb to do some final styling, and this is what the wig is looking like. Let me turn to the back for you guys just so you guys can see how flowy this hair is. There's literally no tangling, there's no shedding on my brush. It's just beautiful all around. Look at this, look at the color, look at the balayage, look at the tones. It's just perfection, guys. I love this hair so much. It really goes in my outfit. And today's a Beyonce concert. I'm going in Club Renaissance today, so I'm so excited. I also went there yesterday with my friends as well, Barbara and Wani and also Alma. But today is just for me to vibe by myself and really just get into Club Renaissance and have a very amazing time. And this hair couldn't have come at a more perfect time. Once again, all the links are going to be listed right down below. My hair is from Ashimary Hair, and this is the final look.